As Britain ushers in its first real taste of winter, forecasters are warning of plunging temperatures, wintry showers, and widespread health alerts, all mapped out in a stark new weather advisory. Meteorologists have flagged a significant cold spell sweeping across the UK over the next 7 days. According to The Independent, the Met Office expects much of the country to be markedly colder than in previous weeks, with harsh frost likely to develop, especially at night. Meteorologists have flagged a significant cold spell sweeping across the UK over the next 7 days. According to The Independent, the Met Office expects much of the country to be markedly colder than in previous weeks, with harsh frost likely to develop, especially at night. Alongside the weather warnings, the UK Health Security Agency, UKHSA, has escalated alerts. An amber health alert, indicating higher risk, is now active in the North East, North West, and Yorkshire-Humber regions, while the rest of England is under yellow alert until Saturday morning. These alerts warn of potential health impacts for the most vulnerable, older adults, those with underlying health conditions, and anyone struggling with heating. The intense cold, particularly at night, could lead to increased pressure on healthcare systems. Forecasts suggest that wintry showers, a mix of rain, sleet, and snow, will accompany this cold front. According to the Met Office, via The Independent, snow is most likely in Scotland, especially in the north and on hills. The eastern side of England, including coastal areas, may also see snow, particularly over the next couple of days. In low-lying northern areas, 2 to 5 centimetres of snow is possible, while hills in Northern Ireland, the northeast of England, and Scotland could see 5 to 10 centimetres. Deputy Chief Forecaster Tom Crabtree warns that overnight temperatures could drop to -10 degrees Celsius, with strong northerly winds intensifying the chill factor. With the onset of snow and ice comes the very real risk of disruption on the roads and public transport. The Met Office forecasts slippery conditions, especially where ice patches form overnight. Commuters and drivers are being urged to take precautions, such as limiting travel where possible and keeping updated with the latest weather alerts. Because several parts of the country are under health alerts, local authorities may also activate cold weather response plans, for example, opening warming centres or supporting vulnerable populations. What you can do. Here are a few practical steps to stay safe in this wintry spell. Prepare for ice and snow, allow extra travel time, and if driving, make sure your vehicle is winter-ready, tyres, antifreeze, de-icing materials. Stay warm indoors. Check your heating system, keep doors and windows closed when it gets really cold, and layer up, especially in the evening. Look out for others. Reach out to neighbours or family members who may be vulnerable to the cold. Monitor forecasts, use trusted sources, Met Office, BBC Weather, etc., to get up-to-date warnings and advice. Looking ahead. This cold snap appears to be the first major winter event of the season, a reminder that the UK's weather can shift quickly. While the worst of the snow is expected to be relatively moderate in most places, the combination of sub-zero temperatures and icy surfaces could still have a real impact, especially on travel and public health. As forecasters continue to monitor conditions, staying informed and preparing now may be the best way to weather what's coming.